Hello everyone, welcome to the HTML5 and CSS3 crash course series with JavaSpace. This series will be short and quick and about 5 videos for HTML and about 10 videos for the CSS3. So we'll be quick. For starting web designing, you must have a text editor and a browser. You write code on text editor and view it or preview it on the browser. So for writing codes or for code editor, I have the Visual Studio Code installed on my computer. You can find it from the search engine Google. And for browsing or previewing our code, I have the Google Chrome browser. So you can download it as well if you don't have it. Let's start. The very first thing will be about the HTML5. HTML is hypertext markup language. Actually 5 is the version of HTML which is just used for structuring a website. Structuring means where to display the navbar, where to display the image, the video, the text, how to display the list, the table, or the forms. So let's start learning HTML. On our Visual Studio, navigate to File and create new file. First of all, save the file, Ctrl S, and select the place to save it. For example, I'm going to save it in the picture. Give it a name, for example, first. Then an extension of .html is must. After saving the file, you can just start typing HTML5 codes, which starts with the doc type. This means that apply the HTML5 rules to this document, which is first.html. Then wrap all your elements with the HTML tag, which shows the boundary of starting and ending the HTML. After that, in every website we have two sections, the head and the body section. The first one is the head section, where the title of the website appears here, right, where the new tab is written. So let's just put another tag called title, the page title, okay, here. And after the head we have the body element, and body element is where all the content of your website appears. So this portion where here it goes to the body, this is called tag, body tag, and the opening and closing or start and ending of a tag will be called an element. So this is an HTML element, this is the head element, this is the title element or start and end tag of title. Oh, sorry, forgetting E. Okay, that's fine. Now if you just open the file, first let me just write a paragraph here, and let's again save it and reveal it in the file explorer, then browse it on the Google Chrome. Let's see, yeah, here we go. This is the page title which I've written there, and this is a paragraph that I wrote on the body section. This was quick and for the first video. In the second video we'll talk about more text formation in HTML5. Thank you for this video.